Relief all round as the 30 hostages were finally picked up off the coast of Somalia. The rescue operation began at 8 o'clock on Friday morning. Pirates who took the Ponnet's crew hostage were reportedly paid €2 million to let their captives go free. The French Navy took charge of securing the group's safety. After being welcomed aboard the Jean Bart, they were transferred by helicopter to the Jeanne d'Arc. There, medical teams checked them over and confirmed that they were in good health. Their captors, meanwhile, fled into the Somalian desert. French commandos pursued them and managed to shoot the motor of their 4x4 during an air raid. 6 of the pirates surrendered, and a portion of the ransom money was recovered. The Somalian authorities claim up to 5 locals were killed in the operation, but the French military insisted no blood was shed. France hopes to see the pirates tried under its own justice system. As for the former hostages, they're expected to be reunited with their families by Monday evening.